man, it's cold in the shade. So Chris was just saying it was a good thing that we're doing a dry run with this because this is totally frozen here.
Yeah.
The ice layer on that. This is our connection for our gas for our generator. Our generator will sit out here, and then we have a long cord that will go out to the house there. With the heat gun, you have to heat that up?
Yeah.
But it's gas. There.
We're on this side of the valve.
Okay.
This side of the valve. We're on the opposite side of it.
Okay.
And we're not putting flame to it. We're just putting some heat to it.
Okay.
So, I mean.
All right.
Get this valve there. Also, I guess it's a good thing we got our
It's a good thing we have the tools to take care of this right here.
yeah.
We're heating up the car for emergencies, just in case I need to take Mom into town for some reason.
Don't want to put too much heat in one spot too quickly.
It's probably enough.
So this is our switch here.
Okay.
We can't have one
What's the switch for, hon?
for power.
Oh.
We can't have one without the other. So,
We're talking emergency power.
yeah, but I don't know. So,
We've never done this before.
no. So,
We don't have an emergency yet, but we're running through it just.
yeah, so this will have to come down, and then this powers this. So we want to turn off portable generator on site. So this shuts power off to the house, then this slides over, this comes down, we plug this in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really confusing too, to me.
Yeah.
I do know that we have to turn all our breakers off
Okay.
inside. We'll hook up the generator. We'll hook up the cord. Then we'll turn off everything inside. While I'm wheeling the generator over out here and getting it hooked up, do you want to tell Mother that she will have no power here in a minute?
Yeah, I guess so.
And then I'll work that out.
Okay. Our generator. So we're checking everything. He unplugged it, connected this back together. So we're going to take it out in a minute and get it going. So you just plugged this into there.
Yeah. And now I need to put it to propane.
Okay.
So I put it over to propane. And then put it to the choke position. I try to forget which is which. The choke is over here. I'll put it to the choke position.
The choke is where?
Huh? This is the choke position right here.
Okay.
So now I should be able to press the button.
But it doesn't have any gas to it. Oh.
Now we'll take it off the choke position. Up yet, but we're going to run the cord over and we're going to turn it off. Slow it down just a bit. Hey, kind of hard to go ahead. Hold on a sec. But the way the cord is, it'd be great if it was like this, but
yeah,
it's like this. So, oh man, that's going to be kind of a booger.
Yeah. Can we turn it this way?
Yeah. Let's do that. There you go.
Okay.
That's a better idea.
That's why we have two people.
So,
our gas line, which this is running off of propane. This is a dual fuel. You can run it off of gas. Is it diesel or?
oh,
Okay.
okay. Yep, right.
Yay, we gotta stand in the sun for a minute.
That might be a thing. Right on the. See now, well, you can still flip that breaker up, but you can't flip this main power up.
Yeah.
So is this the shop, I wonder? I don't know.
Well, the lights are off in the shop. Well, of course, the lights are off in the shop.
Huh? Okay, hold on.
Who thought of putting in a rose right there?
What?
Who thought of
here we
putting
go.
a rose right there?
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, you just gotta push it.
Okay.
Yep,
So-
that's that.
All the breakers in the house need to be off for a second. Is that what we need to do?
We're gonna go turn all the breakers in the house off now.
Okay.
This killed all the power.
Yeah.
Should have killed all the power now. You just kill every breaker in the house. We're gonna go out there and start it up.
Okay.
Then we're gonna come back in here, and what we have to do is we have to set the biggest draw first,
Yeah.
which is this.
Okay.
So we're going to turn this on,
Okay.
and we're going to put it up to like 75. And then it'll just stay on. Because you don't want to hit and surge on, off, surge on, off. Since this is the biggest draw, besides the dryer. Well, we're not running the dryer.
Yeah.
So then we can just kind of selectively kick in lights and then just kind of see what it's
Yeah, you don't want to run things that are not.
Well, no, we're not going to run a huge draw. That thing,
Yeah.
like if we had an electric oven, we wouldn't do that.
Right.
But so now we're going to go, everything's hooked up.
Okay.
Now we're going to go ahead and turn the generator on.
Okay.
And then we'll come over here and put some lights on, and then we'll see what we need to get for the furnace.
Okay.
And then we'll just work it out.
That's like half an inch of ice
Yeah, it's crazy.
on that pole. That's crazy.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
So, we're going to choke it. We're going to turn it to run. The breaker is off, which is what we want. We're going to start it. We're going to put it, probably doesn't need to be choked. Power in the house.
Okay. Now we have to turn on breakers back on in the house.
Let's. You can hear it.
Yeah.
So it's got some load now.
Yeah.
And.
All right. That means our well is going to run.
Yep.
Awesome.
Perfect. Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not our well, our rain catchment system. That's our rain catchment system. Yeah.
Let's kick on some lights. Let's kick on the fridge. Kitchen and living room lights.
There we go.
Furnace.
Furnace. Mother's room.
Pantry.
Pantry. Okay, so that would mean our other fridges in here. And you can hear them running. Yep. And my lights for my seedlings.
So we got the furnace is on. Half bath. The laundry room.
Yep. Okay, so that just kicked on our hot water heater.
Yeah, so let's kick our
Thermostat up so it
Yeah.
turns on. Hey, Norm.
Whoop. Now we want to go see what kind of load it's putting on
Okay,
the generator.
so we can hear the furnace on.
Okay, come on. Yep. Yeah, because it's we don't want to spike the generator.
Okay.
We kind of want to just put it under a constant load
Yeah.
as best as possible, and then we would get the house up to temperature,
Yeah.
and then we'd just kill that, and then probably kill this too. slick.
Yeah. Okay. This is a dry run. Of course, we have power here on the homestead, but we want to make sure we know how it works.
Yeah, because if we were trying to do this in the middle of the night, could you imagine?
Yeah.
You holding a flashlight
Yeah.
and trying to figure out what this looks like and what are we going to do? How do we do it? Well, this doesn't seem like it works right. What about this thing? So the nice thing is on the panel is so that's the pump house.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And then this is running all the power into the house.
Yeah.
So we could go look at the stove and stuff and make sure that, I mean, all it needs is that little igniter anyway.
Right.
So.
Nope. There we go. There we go. It was the click before the last click.
My emergency button works.
Your emergency button, yay! That's important.
Yeah.
Say what?
Her emergency button works.
What?
Her emergency button works, so
I
that's,
heard it.
yeah. Okay, so,
Yeah, you should just hit it. Good, there you go. Perfect.
there we go.
We know we got power to the stove. I guess everything's on right now.
Everything?
Everything except her sauna.
Yeah,
The sauna is not on.
okay, so that's the one thing we have to compromise.
Well, I mean,
Yeah, we can't run two heating systems.
no.
Can't have water and all that, so.
Let's go last check. Let's go check the unit again now that everything's on.
Okay, the water? Or
No,
okay.
let's go look at the generator
Oh, okay, and see what
and
it's.
just kind of see what the load is doing.
Okay.
Stand in the sun.
Hey, so how do you feel about that?
Feel good. I'm glad we did it. I'm glad
Yeah.
we took the time to make sure that we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
And I think overall
Sound.
overall it's pretty easy to work it that way. We just run the cord, kick all the power off inside, pull the generator out, run the cord, hook the propane up. I mean, next time we could probably have it going in probably 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So,
Not as easy as our other one, but it works. Thumbs up. And we'll keep everybody warm-ish because Mother likes it really warm, but we're not going to be able to run it that hard. But okay.
yeah,
Well, let's unplug and we got her done.
I want to let it run for a few minutes.
Okay.